30 best quotes of all time to inspire you today. 1. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. 2. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. 3. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. 4. The battles that count aren't the ones for gold medals. The struggles within yourself, the invisible battles inside all of us, that's where it's at. 5. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. 6. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. 7. If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough. 8. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. 9. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. 10. Few things can help an individual more than to place responsibility on him and to let him know that you trust him. 11. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. 12. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. 13. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. 14. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. 15. Remember that not getting what you want is sometimes a wonderful stroke of luck. 16. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter.